Hi, good day to everyone. Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we developed diabetic retinopathy. Using deep learning technique and ensemble approach, we developed this project. It is a new IEEE project. I will show you the base paper. This is a new project. It is a deep learning ensemble approach for the diabetic retinopathy detection. We are detecting and also classifying here. In this paper, they are not doing with an only whether it is having eye is having a diabetic or non-diabetic. There are a multi-stage classification is available. We are going to identify 5 classes. One is a normal, mild, moderate, severe, and PDR. Okay. Actually, diabetic retinopathy means what? The patient, those who are having a sugar complaint, you know that, no? Those who are called diabetic. The diabetic people, they are not maintaining their sugar level properly. What will happen? There is a blood clot in their vein. That blood clot lead to the blood flow problem. That blood flow problem will lead to the damages in the eye. That only it will showing that classifying the things. So that early prediction of the diabetic retinopathy, it will be a cure. Okay. Suppose we are not predicting it in a proper stage. In the mild stage only predicting, it will curable. Suppose you are not considering it and you are take it lightly, means it will go to moderate and it will become severe and it will go to the PDR, means proliferated diabetic retinopathy. It will be very dangerous. We can't able to do. You have to lose your vision only. So that it is a very important. We have to find in the mild only. We can able to consider this project as a early stage diabetic retinopathy. Also we can able to consider. Okay. We developed this project in a Python with the transfer learning model. 3 models we are using, and apart from the transfer learning model, we use the ensemble approach also. Okay. So that what are the 3 models, what we did, everything I will explain you in the demonstration. Okay. One more part, we are developing this project in a real-time view. In that real-time view, in the sense, you are going to a hospital. Okay. What will happen? The patient, they will be enrollment counter will be there. That is a registration. The registration counter, the user who is sitting, no, we call him as a support user. Okay. The support user only register your name and he will ask you to go to some lab. In that lab, they will take the eye scanning. That eye scanning image will be uploaded by the what we can able to say the diabetic diagnosis center user can able to upload up. We are merging both the things, that is a registration and the person those who are in the diagnostic lab also we are calling as a support user. Maybe I am logging into the support user. The user ID is a user at gmail.com we are giving. You can able to keep any user ID, we can able to change it, but we are giving user, and he is having a password. We are giving correct password. It will be go. Now what is happening means he can able to register the patients. You are saying the patient list. There are already 7 patients are there. I am going to register one more new patient. Okay. Patient, I have to go to the home and I have to add the patient. When we are adding the patient, we have to give the patient ID. I am giving the patient ID P108. I am giving that. His name is Krishna. I am giving Krishna, and I am keeping it an add. So that one I am giving that the Krishna and add, it will become. We have to give the patient address. Maybe I am giving that 102 11th main Jayanagar. Bangalore. And his age will be around 55. His gender will be male, and his height is 5.5 feet, and kgs maybe is 72 kgs. And his ID and the password, what we are doing for convenience is a patient registration ID number will be his login ID, and his password by default it will come as his name only is password, but after that he can able to change. Okay. Now the mail ID we are keeping that the Krishna. Now I am giving some dummy mail ID Krishna at gmail.com. and mobile number we are giving that 98221334, like that I am giving it. I am adding the patient. Suppose once the patient is added, he will be come to the patient detail come. I added that Krishna, I added. Okay, successfully I added. You want to have the edit session and delete also, we can do that. Now, what we have to do, one time you register the patient, he can able to come for the multiple time. Maybe come this week, maybe next month you will come. Those we call it as a transaction. You see, no, we are having a transaction. So that we have to give the patient ID. What we added, P108. You can give any patient, existing patient. So it will come. So that the date, today's date, patient ID, his name, his age and his gender, it will come. We have to upload is the eye scan image we have to upload. So that I am uploading this image, I am uploading the things. These are many images are there. You assume that this is the latest scan image of that patient. That is a Krishna's image. I upload and add it. Okay. So that it will be added. It will take some time, because what will happen, this image will be given to our machine learning model. It is going to predict that what stage this eye thing. So that machine learning is involved in this process. So that it will take certain time. You will see, no, quick, maximum 10 seconds it will take, it will be uploaded. Okay, then it's over. Okay, then what we have to do means we have to log out and it will be go to the doctor. Okay, doctor can able to log in. Here the doctor, you can see we are having a doctor ID, doctor@gmail.com. For EC we are giving the ID. In real time we can give the real ID only. Okay, doctor can able to log in. He can able to see that many transactions. You can see, no, we added that Krishna 1 P108 Krishna 55 male is there. He is able to check that update, so that he can able to look that the things. He can able to see that. He can able to see that it is the what is the thing. So that it is the this is the eye, scanned eye. It is already detected. It's a mild. I told you in that paper there are 5 stages are there: normal, mild, moderate, severe and PDR. So that this was classified using our machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm, Ensemble model. It will be detected. Okay, what is telling that the chance of this eye scan will be mild, will be probability is a 99.78. Doctor feel it is a wrong means he can able to edit and change it here. That is also possible. And doctor can able to give his remark. Mild diabetic retinopathy is a beginning stage. It is a beginning stage. Need regular checkup and consult doctor every 3 months. Like that he will give that. So that he can give any type. He will give the medicine details also. He can give what medicine you want to do. Then he can update it. Then it will be done is part. And here doctor is admin. No, we use the 3 models: DenseNet, Inception and VGG16. So that you can see that no, DenseNet is a transfer learning algorithm that has accuracy graph and loss plot. We keep it here, and the classification report we are giving. DenseNet is giving 92% accuracy, and the confusion matrix for the 5 classes it will be there in the DenseNet. Similarly, we are going with an Inception V3. Inception V3, what is happening means it is giving 84%, and we are keeping that those details. And the next one will be VGG16. VGG16 is what is the thing? It is giving 67%, and we are having the thing. So that 3 models are there. The best performing is a DenseNet. So that combination of all these 3 model only, it is called Ensemble. So that it will give more than 92% accuracy. It will give. Okay, that only we used. Okay, then logged out. Then the patient login. He can able to check anywhere in this folder. Is it in home also? He can able to check that. Is it no? Is ID and password. What is ID? The Krishna we created P108. Correct? No. So that 108. His password we give the same name only, Krishna. We are giving login. So that it will come Krishna and his age and sex will be there for verification, and the patient image, the scan image will be there. it is a mild, it is a 99.78, and we are giving that the symptoms of the mild diabetic retinopathy, what is the precaution he has to take, what treatment he has to do, he has to take, everything we are doing that. And apart from that, doctor what he given the prescription, you see the mild DR beginning stage, like the it will also come into the picture. Okay, so that as a complete package we did it. He want to change his password, he can able to change the password here, and he can able to log out. Okay, so that I don't want to prolong this video, it will be boring for you. So that it is one sample. You have any queries or anything, you come to our office. We are using that MySQL, we are using backend. Okay, backend is a MySQL. You can able to consider this project is a full stack Python development come machine learning deep learning technique. Okay, with the Python, so that this project will be suitable for MTech students and BE students and anyone. But it is a high project because we used 3 transfer learning model along with that Ensemble with the backend coding and the front end design. Okay, hope this video will be useful for you. So that feel free to call DHS Informatics. Our numbers are 98451 66723. It is our office number, and one more number is there, 988669241, and visit our website. You can feel free to website www.dhsinformatics.com. It is our website. You can able to visit our website. You will get a lot of information in our website, and here also our phone number, everything is there. You go through and you can walk in for any inquiries, or we'll arrange the Google meeting so that you can able to clarify your doubts. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for listening.